In this video, I'll show you how to make Cantonese turnip cake. 蘿蔔糕. First, peel a large white radish. We won't use the whole radish, just 800 grams. Cut the white radish in thin slices. Take a couple of slices and cut it in small strips. Cut 3 spring onions in small rings. Cut 2 dried shiitake mushrooms, which I've soaked in water before, in small pieces. Cut up some dried scallops and small shrimp. Cut up some Chinese preserved meat or sausage. Shortly boil the strips of white radish in a big pot until they soften a bit. To a big bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of wheat starch, 200 grams of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil, and 500 ml of water. Keep stirring until everything is dissolved.
咁搞到佢混晒佢喎。得啦。
You can see that the strips of white radish have softened. Remember to keep the cooking water. Stir-fry the previously prepared plate with cut-up ingredients with some oil in a wok. Don't use all the spring onions. Make sure to keep the greens. After all the flavors have come out and it's starting to smell great, add the strips of white radish. Add a little bit of white pepper. Add the rest of the spring onions. Create a hole in the center and add the flour mixture. To that, I've added 200 ml of the white radish cooking water. Don't pour everything in at once. Add it bit by bit while you keep stir-frying. When it starts to thicken, add more of the flour mixture. Keep stir-frying it until it completely thickens. Transfer to an oven-safe dish lined with baking paper. Now it's ready to steam for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Use a chopstick to check if it's cooked. It should come out clean. After it has cooled down and hardened, you can cut it in thick squares and pan fry them.